In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to add a simple noise or grain effect to your video. Grain helps your footage look more cinematic and less digitally sharp, and it's commonly used in film style edits and music videos. Let's begin. First, select the clip on your timeline. Now go to the effects panel. In the search box, type noise. Drag and drop the noise effect onto your clip. Next, go to the effect controls panel. Here you'll see the noise settings. Start with the intensity slider. Increase it slightly and you can notice the difference right away as grain gets added to your footage. Next, look at the blend mode option. You can change this to normal or multiply depending on the look you want. Multiply usually gives a more natural film style grain. Now adjust the master slider. This controls the overall strength of the noise effect. Increase or decrease it until you get the desired output. At the end, it's all about experimenting with these values to achieve the perfect noise level for your footage. If you want to apply this effect to multiple clips, you can also use an adjustment layer and place it above your clips. And that's it. You've successfully added a noise or grain effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.